Alright, so we got the winch set up over there. It's attached to this tree here, chained up to the baby winch, and then there's a snatch block over there, and then the cable goes up to the tree. And there's this big dead tree here, and I've already started cutting a helm bolt in it. Get ready to run. That's as good as we expected it. Or that's as good as it can be. It's very controlled.
Ooh. It's falling, it's falling. Or can you just cut it all the way off the bottom?
You definitely don't want to cut that off.
Okay.
You want that to be a thin and you slowly tip it down. What are you doing?
Debarking a tree.
A log. I don't know if it's called a tree still, if it's cut down.